So this is a follow-up video to the one that I made a couple of days ago, just asking the question about which stove I should bring on my upcoming trip Thursday in 4 or 5 days. Overwhelmingly, the answer was that I should take liquid fuel with the MSR Whisper Light. You know, someone said that they'd test out the WinPro this weekend because it's so cold here in Calgary, and I figured, you know what, I may as well do the same thing. It's between minus 25 and minus 30 right now. Last night it was absolutely frigid, very cold. So I have, just for this quick test, I have 2 cans of fuel here. One of them has 100 grams in it, and one of them has 40 grams. And you know, I can definitely hear that there's fuel in there. Let's give it a shot. And if they do work, can I get a liter of water from snow? So let's give it a shot. So I've got that can with 100 grams in it, and let's just see. You know, when I screwed it on, I didn't hear that of the gas, that little bit of gas that escapes. So when you use this kind of stove, you have to prime it with the can right side up, and then use gas to get it primed, get the generator tube hot enough to turn the liquid fuel into gas, and then you flip the stove. That's a no-go. Let's see, with 100 grams. I mean, there's a lot of fuel in this can. This is a half full can. So I'm getting nothing. That's crazy. Absolutely nothing. Nope, nothing. So this is dead. I'm gonna check with a warm can, kind of show that it's not the stove itself, it's the fact that these cans are just too cold right now, regardless of what's in there. So this is a warm can from inside. It's got 150 grams of fuel in it. So we'll see how it goes. So there, could hear the little telltale release of gas. And let's see what happens. All right, so we're going. With 150 grams. Flip that over. So it's working, and that's just with the difference here, it's a warm can. I'm pretty curious how long this can's gonna last. Can I get it to run till empty? You know, with the stove next to it, that could transfer a bit of heat. So let's see. All right, guys, so this has been going for quite a long time. I'll double check on the camera just to see exactly. To me, that looks like pretty much the performance limit of this kind of system. Seems to be around minus 20, give or take. Typically, this amount of snow will take me 20 minutes to melt and turn into 2 liters of boiling water and about 2 ounces of fuel, 60 grams, give or take. Barely getting some little bubbles in there on the bottom of the pan. So it's a trickle of a flame. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap this up. Minus 20, I've used it, no problem. Right now we're below minus 25. It just seems to be too cold.